To all in our lecture series of subject PPCM. In today's lecture we take a topic of work breakdown structure. In work breakdown structure, what we have to do, we have to break down the project in a different parts. Means if you have a big project, so that big project is divided in some sub projects. For example, if you have seen our thermal power plant, so that thermal power plant is taken by DGR company, but DGR company is give tender to other companies for different parts. For example, for cooling tower, for boiler, for chimney. So for getting or completing the project successfully, we have divided that project in different parts. Okay, so here we have taken one example for organizing a industry lecture. First you have to schedule structure, then you need a transport facility, hall arrangement, refreshments and audience. Means for performing the task of industry lecture, you divided that task in different activities, and again if you need, then you divided that sub part to again another sub part. So this is the process of work breakdown. Okay, so you have to break down the all activities in simple parts. For example, now you have seen building projects. So in building project, first you have to design, then you have to do procurement, then project management, then construction. In construction you have mobilization and preparation, structure, services and finishers, and in structure you have substructure and superstructure. In substructure you have excavation. So in this way you have to divide your big project into the small activities. Okay, so for performing the any big project, you have to convert it in simple activities, because it is not possible for us, we have to solve or manipulate all calculations of a big project. But if we break down them, then we easily define all the parts of the projects. Okay, so for that we have take one example. We have a bridge. This is a 2-span bridge. Here we have used the piles. Here we have pier, abutment, precast beams, approaches and pile cap. If I give you this diagram, then ask you how you perform or how you construct this bridge. So first you need a soil testing, then surveying. Okay, so these are the breaking part for this structures. So here I have taken 15 ways. First you have to cast the piles, then beams, then drive piles east, construct east pile cap, construct east abutment, drives pile center, construct center pile cap, construct center pier, drive piles west, construct west pile cap, construct west abutment, place beams east span, place beams west span, approach road and deck slab east, approach road and deck slab west. Okay, so in this way you have to construct this 2-span bridge. Here we have not seen any sequencing part. Here we divided only the big project in a small activities. So in this way you have to construct your all part, because here we use that approach road and deck slab. So for constructing the bridge we hire other company, and for making the road we hire other company. So the all projects is given to other companies, because one company is not perform all the activities. So work breakdown structure is only break down the project in a sub projects or activities, and it is necessary for performing the project successfully. Okay, and this work breakdown is of maybe many level. Means for example, you have to construct the residential building. First you have to do excavation. This is your first level, because in excavation you have to do many things. Then substructure, then superstructure. So you have to divide this part in many levels. Okay, so level of detail required for the work breakdown structure is level of detail required to plan, communicate, monitor and control the project type of project scope, packages and deliverables, durations, and also depends on schedule level. Okay, now what activity should be considered? A work breakdown structure should be comprehensive, and this should be no gaps in the job logic, and multiple views to the work breakdown structure. Means we divided in product, process, location, where we have to construct the bridge or buildings, responsibility. You also divided project in the responsibility part. Means you have seen the safety work, you have seen the concrete making plant and all, and other logical views. So in this way we have used the work breakdown structure. So this lecture is over guys. We meet in another lecture. Thank you.